faute. La passe au pied de Plisson, adressé au talonneur Bosch, le rebond qui pourrait piéger Johan Huget, et Botia qui surgit, et Botia qui marque avec un roulé-boulé. Ce coup-ci, l'essai sera accordé à Levani. Botia.
Et Maxime Chalot qui a estimé que c'était pas d'avancée. Voilà, ce dépasse, ils ont concédé du terrain, et puis ce très joli jeu au pied de Jules Plisson, et puis là le rebond qui trompe Johan Huget mais qui ne trompe pas Botia. Et une des qualités des Rochelais cette saison, c'est aussi l'opportunisme. Ils ont défendu pendant 20 minutes.
Lopez qui a pu servir Moala qui a réussi à franchir. Moala qui a le soutien de Raka sur les extérieurs. Moala qui va peut-être fixer jusqu'au bout. Il peut transmettre jusqu'à Raka. Et l'essai de cette équipe de Clermont avec les deux dynamiteurs à la manœuvre. Moala dans le jeu.
Il a fait cette accélération. Il est allé cadrer Boutier au dernier moment. Et dès que Boutier a tourné sa tête, hop, il a fait la passe à Raka qui était allé marquer cet essai.
Il la joue très bien, Moala, parce que Boutier ne se fait pas embarquer, hein. Il attend vraiment le dernier moment.
Il se fait pas embarquer, mais dès qu'il tourne la tête.
Tununga again, jumps in the tackle. That was an almighty shot from Albert to Asui, but Kini Murimurivalu picking a perfect Fijian line to the in-goal area. Magnificent.
Steps out of one, bump outside shoulder. That is brilliant from Van Portfleet.
It's that little bit of footwork that takes out three defenders, isn't it? Just an awareness of where they are.
Here it is for Mickey Young. It might work for him. Young and Matavesi, and he goes in for Newcastle's first try of the night. Young turning minor embarrassment into an opportunity and a debut try.
Close to the line here, have to keep it in field, do well as well, and Nakamura ships it away to Kerevi, and Samu Kerevi scores the opening try for Sun.
Halfback. From there, it's all about the hands. Little stutter step on his man, one-on-one, just too good.
Yeah.
There's a lot of rugby to be played first.
Laua, Sheedy, floated pass, and here's Naulago. And look at the pace of the wing, and in the end he just coasts in the corner. And Ratu Naulago gets the opening score just 4 minutes on the league code, but this was quite superb, wasn't it?
Yeah, I mean, Sheedy's ability to bring the ball to the gain line and play those balls over the top is what separates him within this this format that Bristol play. You can see the balls pulled back really well by Laua, and those balls over the top are so hard to defend because defences are being really aggressive and being asked.
Urin, and look at the white jerseys over there. Out there is Naulago. Sheedy, that is quite brilliant. And now Naulago goes in for his second try.
It's clearly something that they train particularly well, and that is it's pinpoint by Sheedy. I mean, I don't think you even needed to break stride onto that, which and their ability to capitalise off that is why they're the team that has scored.
Into the Worcester 22. There's Piers O'Connor. Sheedy coming off his wing now. Lango is a tremendous step. He's through two tackles. He's gone all the way. Well, he got the first score. Didn't have to do too much with that one.
I'm assuming if you're in that Bristol setup, you're just trying to create one-on-ones like that for him all day, because he has the ability just to glide past people and do it at speed. You know, the Worcester defenders they're in good position.
Okay.
So Webber comes away with it. Now tempted little chip kick through from Gatland, and it's been picked up by Nareki, and he's clear. Chase being given by Jona low. He's reeling him in too, but I don't think he's going to stop him. No, he isn't.
And it was just a foot race. I thought he was going to wheel him in. Yeah, Jona low. But it was this last dive, this early dive. Yeah, they got him over the line. Great work.
I could almost say that was a 14-point try.
The head numbers just loaded, chasing that kick, didn't they, Mills? And you're right, dive early, knew Lowe was right behind him at the time.
Keeps them on the front foot. Nareki again wriggling out of tackles. Oh, he's absolutely brilliant. He is brilliant, and he scored again.
From the scrum, dominant there. He gets outside Leonard Brown there. And look at the finish. Too hard to stop there, KT.
What I like about it too, Mills, he's getting off his left wing, he's getting involved, he looks strong too. Jona Nareki.
Looking to release, scampers away with it. Levani, nice wide pass, chance out on the left. Hunt fires the pass away. Here he goes again. Patrick Nareki.
That tackle, he come off his line, and it was just a finish. Did he get it down?
All clear, Paul.
Oh, you're right though, Millsy. They try to jam in, they missed the tackle. He's got enough, Mitch Hunt, to get that ball out to Jona Nareki, and there's nothing wrong with this. He boosts it straight there, that's try.